guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about this lovely grungy spider web black smoky Halloween makeup. So if y'all want to see how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. And if y'all want to see more fun Halloween makeup tutorials, then please like and subscribe and you will get to watch more such videos. Let's get into it.
Hi guys, pointing at my pretty eyes. Look at my pretty eyes. Oh, I guess we're starting with the eyes. Going to use a setting powder to sort of prime the eyes because I have oily lids, so this lets the gel sit better and not get too, oily. Pack it on, guys, the entire eyelid. Don't worry about being too perfect, you can buff those lines out later. Do not waste too much product either because gel eyeliners are typically very pigmented, so just build as you go if you think you require it. Pat it with your finger, use a brush, whatever you're comfortable with to buff it out a bit. Don't go too over your crease. And now, like a pro, I'm just gonna do like a little wing because that's what I do. Who doesn't like a good wing, man? Not a chicken wing, but this is gonna have to work for me. Using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna pat in some more pigment or eyeliner and buff it out, smoothen out the lines, make that look slick. We're gonna blur some lines and pull out the wing a little bit, making it a little more effortless, but clearly there's some effort going into this. See, now I'm building color because once you have the shape of everything set, you can always go over and build color. It's easier that way. You can stop at this point and this is a pretty decent non-scary look for like an evening out. But don't forget to crispen it up a bit, put in that eyeliner in your waterline to tie things together. Ooh, squishy squishy. Gonna squish my eyelashes. Mascara, guys, godsend product. This changes lives. It's so good. Just whack on some mascara and you're good to go, unless you're like me and barely have lashes. Then we require some falsies. Gonna use this liquid eyeliner to give me a little bit of a more cat eye. Gonna pull it in the inner corner and crispen some lines up to intensify further. And bam! We have it on the other eye. I mean, I wish that was possible, right? It would make life so much easier. Ooh, this champagne highlighter. I mean, sun who? Sun what? Sun's on your face, sis. Gonna highlight my high points under my eyebrows, my high cheekbones. A little down my nose. The cupid's brow. The little pointy center of the nose. I'm going to now take some gel eyeliner on a really thin brush and just going to pull some straight lines down like you would for a spider web. It's easier if you mark some points first so you know where you want to pull the lines from. Don't go too long. I think mid-cheek is good enough. You don't have to go too intense on the first go. Like, just make sure your lines are decently straight, and then you can go over it. I made some 5 lines. I think that should be enough. And you don't have to be super precise with this either. This is just the web. Although actually spider webs are kind of perfect, but you don't need to do that on your face, guys. This is a grunge look. We're connecting all 5 lines with lines in the center. At this point, if you want to use like a sponge or a little powder puff on your hand to prevent it from touching your face, you can do that. But mine's pretty solid. I'm gonna again intensify. This liquid eyeliner is so good from Lakme. I mean, all you need to do is just one swipe and it is so there. Ooh. You can, you know, pull out a few lines a little longer than the other. It doesn't have to be too even, guys. That's the whole point of it looking all Halloweeny and grungy. And bam, again. Now I'm gonna move on to my lips. Gonna prime it a bit with some foundation and line it. I think lining is such a nice way to, you know, bring out the natural shape, or if you don't like the natural shape, to enhance it a bit. Hello, Kylie Jenner. Gonna go in with a orange lip pencil. And tie it all together with an orange brick lipstick. And gloss. I mean, can you really do without gloss? I think not. You could go on to add some kind of fake blood if you like, or maybe do your hair a little poofy to tie it all together. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed.
And this is the final look. As y'all can see, this look is super easy and super grungy looking. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye bye.